Yes guys, today's the day. We finished the first project car on the channel, which is the BMW M2, and it looks unbelievable. Shout out to Kent Smart Repairs for doing an amazing job of getting it back together. All the panel gaps are perfect, the paintwork is outstanding, and that car could literally be put in a showroom now and you wouldn't even be able to tell that it had ever been involved in a crash or nothing. So I'll just show you the panel gaps now. Let's go down there, come on then. Right, so we'll start off on the door because there was a slight bit of damage on the door. You can see that that gap is absolutely spot on. There is no problem there. And the side skirt was slightly pushed out and that has been pushed back in like brand new, And then replace the wing, replace the bonnet. And obviously when you replace it, you know that the gaps are going to be spot on, and as expected, they are. Then you come down here and you see the line just above the headlight. You can literally put a level under there and that would be perfectly straight. Follow the bonnet across, yet again, straight, what do you expect? And yeah, for comparison, spot on. Quick disclaimer, obviously this headlight is not on, you probably spotted that. The module on it was damaged in the crash, so I've ordered a new one from BMW. That is on its way, it just hasn't arrived yet. So yeah, I know you trolls in the comments are gonna go, why the headlight's not working? It is working, but I've got to wait for the part. So yeah, I thought I'd be honest with you guys, let you know. But when that's on, the car is done. El completo, finito. Be honest with me, if that drove past you on the road, you would never, ever, ever know that that's a Category S car. It's sick, mate, it is sick. So yeah, it's gonna be up for sale this weekend. I'm putting it on Auto Trader. It's only got 9,000 miles on it, so it literally isn't brand new. For a car of that age, that is a rare sight that you'll get that low miles on it. So one of you lucky people out there is gonna have an absolute bargain with this, and you're gonna have so much fun because it is so fast. For a little car like that, it's got some power, I tell you. Promise you now. So this was the wheel on the side of the crash, and I'll just show you the wheel now. There is not one mark on that wheel whatsoever. It is absolutely pristine condition. It's got the signature BMW blue calipers. Look at the size of the brake discs, they are ridiculous, they are huge. Yeah, the upgraded M Performance wheels, they're a very rare set of wheels. You don't see them on a lot of M2s, so they're 19 inches. They are so nice. And there's the rear. Comes with the PPF factory that BMW put on it for the rear wheels. This car, I don't know, the camera, it obviously looks well good on the camera, but I don't think it does it enough justice. The road presence of it, when you sit on the side, the rear arch is so wide, it is so mean. It's a proper head turner, and everybody notices that thick, muscly build at the back. It's nice, mate, it's nice. Let me just show you the interior, show you the spec on the inside. It's got the Alcantara doors. Really nice touch that. Then obviously it's the LCI, so it's got the fully LCD screen here. Blue stitching on the seats, fully leather. Fully carbon here. The steering wheel is so nice. It's a lovely interior. It's got the Harman Kardon speaker system. Let's go around to the back and I'll show you this. This is my favourite part. Definitely hear it when you're driving down the road. Look at this. It's got the carbon exhausts with the M Performance exhaust factory, which sounds unbelievable. But it burbles and pops, yeah. Naughty, mate, naughty, naughty. Yeah, be an auto trader. If you want it, message me. It can be yours for a very small price. And look at that. Look at that. How could you not find that sexy? Look at that, it's a beast. Should give the engine a little rev, see what that exhaust sounds like. I know you guys want to hear it. Come on then, look, let's go and do it. Come on then. Put it into sports mode, shall I? Or should I go sports plus? Yeah, why not then? Right then, let's listen to this. That is naughty. One more time for you. One more time. What a joke, mate. Touchscreen infotainment system. Naughty. Nice bit of Ed Sheeran on there. Get up. Oh, what's the weather today in Gravesend? Oh look, my BMW will tell you. So guys, I'm the King of Salvage. That wraps up today's video. Quickly, last job we've got to do on this. I thought I'd tell you, be honest. The headlight module on this headlight, unfortunately, was damaged. So I've ordered a new one of them from BMW, and that's going to be about a week to come. So when that comes, I'll get that straight on, and yeah, then the M2 is complete. I've really enjoyed the rebuild, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the content. As soon as this sells, we can get something else in. Obviously, we've got the naughty McLaren in the shed on the go, so yeah, there's a lot of content to be made with that. And obviously, I said I'm going to get a video for my Porsche up at some point. I will do that as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me if you hate it, tell me if you like it. I don't really care, just interact with me, come on. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh yeah, and quickly, obviously, I am doing a giveaway. I said it in my last video, I'll say it again. Go and check out my recent Instagram post, follow the rules, subscribe, like, tag 3 friends, and follow me on Insta. 5 McLaren hats, £50 each to 5 of yous. Why not try it? Give it a go, fellas, give it a go. And ladies, obviously, sorry. Don't want to be exclusive. Bosh!